Welcome to Madeira, the 800 square kilometre Portuguese island in the Atlantic Ocean. The shuttle bus drops you off in the middle of town, and we've just done that, but it's quite easy to walk because the ship is just over there. Although Madeira is not a typical beach holiday and the nearest stretch of sandy beach is in Porto Santo, here in the port there are loads of activities you can do associated with the water. In the port is the Santa Maria de Colombo, a tall ship. This is another way to see Funchal.
Normally the tours on a tuk-tuk have inside the city, Funchal city, is 40 euros for 1 hour.
If you're wondering how far the market is from the ship, here's the market, there's the ship. The market's busiest first thing in the morning, but they've still got some beautiful flowers left. Okay, we're in Mercado Lavradores. What is this?
Hibiscus flower.
Hibiscus flower. Suits you.
Action.
He says,
Action.
Da-da! I'm in the fish market. Fado music, the Portuguese folk music, is played in lots of restaurants here. We're at the top of Rua de Santa Maria. This street's really interesting. It's called Santa Maria and there's art on most of the doorways. The story of Madeira. It's right by the cable car and below a terrace restaurant and above a tourist shop. Portuguese navigators found Madeira in 1420. At the top of the cable car is the tropical gardens, which cost €12.50 to go in. A good tip is to do this before the toboggan ride, because when you do the toboggan ride, you have to get a taxi back up. Just be careful in the waterfall areas because some of the water has come onto the path and it's quite slippy. A lot of work has gone into these gardens, and they've even made the pathways so that if you can't walk, a golf buggy can take you round. Wow, isn't it beautiful? And then up here is the toboggan ride. It's definitely worth €15, definitely. This is the bottom, and you can buy a fridge magnet here, have a coffee, and buy a photo if you like, if you're coming down in a toboggan. Throughout the island you may see excavations as they try to uncover their historic past. The Cathedral of Funchal was built between 1485 and 1515. Its interior features include a magnificently carved ceiling of geometric design reflecting Moorish influences. The island is so pretty, there's some wonderful architecture here, including behind me, the bank. Hospital de Santa Isabel. It's the Ritz. I'm at the Ritz, and because it's such a spectacular building, people are afraid to come up here. Ricardo, thank you for my first taste of Madeira wine. This is the city park. It's just a block away from the port. It's opposite the Ritz. It smells fantastic. There's jasmine in the air. The shuttle bus is right near the Ritz restaurant. Sitting on the deck relaxing, reading a good thriller. That's what cruising's all about.
Don't forget, please subscribe to our cruise YouTube channel.